Robert Stellick with Blue Planet Surf Shop, and I'm going to show you how to use the paddle edge tape. It's basically a narrow strip of high-performance urethane film. Looks like this. And also has a little alcohol swab. I'm going to show you how to properly apply it. It's available at our shop for $12. Comes with instructions. I'm just going to show you how to do it in person, so sometimes it's a little bit easier to see than to read about it. Remove any dirt or oils, wax and whatnot from the edge of the blade. Just rub it real clean. Make sure there's no lint on the paddle, and also make sure that your fingertips are nice and clean so you don't leave any fingerprints on the tape. Now this tape, you apply it dry so it sticks better. Make sure your fingertips are clean. You just peel the edge back a little bit. Start on the edge of the paddle. Okay, so we had a little bit of technical difficulties, so now I'm going to voice over with the instructions here. We start at the top part of the blade and center the tape over the middle of the edge of the blade, basically. So about the same amount of tape sticks over each side. And just stick it down only on the edge first, and then once you can easily still reposition it. So if you don't get it in the right place, you just peel it back a little bit and reposition it so that it's centered nicely. Once you get it in the right place, then you can push down the two sides, apply firm pressure, your fingertips, and just get it on there smoothly, so without trapping air bubbles, and try to get it on smoothly on both sides. If you apply it properly, you should barely be able to see it. You have to look really close to even be able to see this high performance paddle edge tape. When you get to the curve at the end, you can really stretch it out, and that helps to get it on there better. If you stretch it around those turns, it'll fit around there really well and leave a nice clean edge. So a little bit of stretching around those curves will make it work really well. And a lot of people, or I've used to use electric tape to do this, which works well too. It's very stretchy tape, but electric tape, the problem with that is it's very thin tape, and it wears through very quickly. After hitting your rails once or twice in the same spot, you'll have no more tape left on the edge, so you have no more protection. It looks like you still have tape on there, but if you look at the edge of the paddle, there's the tape is just completely worn through. So this tape will last a lot longer. It's much thicker and more durable, so it should be able to get at least 6 months of heavy use out of it before you have to replace it. And it comes off fairly easy without leaving a lot of residue as well. So, but maybe plan on replacing the tape if you use it a lot, every 6 months or so. If you don't use it a lot, it should last you a couple of years. So make sure it's on there really good. Get all the air bubbles out and get a nice clean finish. And then you should have a little bit left over at the end that you can cut off with scissors. And the little end piece there is, hold on to that, is good to use for, like, you can put it on the tail of your board, protects the paint of your board. Thanks a lot for watching. Blue Planet Surf. Aloha.